Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and Eskimo got back to me on how to put a shape instead of just a circle with his circles on a curve. So we're going to take our E that has already been converted to a curve, and we're going to make sure we have create target vectors. And then we're going to go create circles. Then we want to delete them, and if you look, there are vector lines. Now we need to take our shape that we want and go to a 2-point line and go from like the center to that node up top. And you can see it's already under match vectors, it's already got, so both these macros are free, and I'll put a link at the bottom. So we're going to select the target vector. It's got 1, it's got 92. Then we're going to select the arrow and go match vectors. And look at that, it put those arrows. Now, once again, they're not perfect. So, but what you can do, like I did in the previous video, is select all those and hit like T for top. Whoop. Well, you can actually delete that. Select all those, go T for top, and we're putting them all in a straight line. And there's a lot more to this that I'll probably make a video later tonight or tomorrow about. You could change the angle of these arrows. So let's just continue. Hit T, put them all on the line, put them all on a line, and then the ones up and down look like they're pretty much straight on, dead on. No, they're a little bit off. So we can just grab all those, don't grab the ones that are going opposite direction, and hit like L or R and put them left and right. And then you can take and fill them all in with black, take away the outline, and now you have, and you can change the size of this by the size of the circle that we put. So stay tuned for more on this great 2 macros and what you can do with it. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.